Hey guys, my name is Tarun Chawla. You are watching Coding Clown. Welcome again to a new video. Today's topic is tuple. Tuple are like lists. They are a collection of Python objects which can store objects with indexing. But here is the difference. Tuples are immutable, which means we cannot change tuple once it get created. So we can change our list, but we cannot change our tuple because it is an immutable object. And in tuple we use parentheses instead of square bracket while creating tuple. As you can see, I have used here parentheses instead of square brackets, and these are the initialization of tuple. Or we can also convert our tuple in our list into a tuple. So I will give you some example using my program. Let me create a file. So let me create a tuple. It can contain any type of object like string, floating point numbers, and a complex number. You can see. Now I'm going to print my tuple. Print tuple. As you can see, I will getting the output as my tuple here, and these are the things. And I can also print the type of it. It will belong to type tuple. It will belong to class tuple. You will see that class tuple. Here is it. I can also convert my list into tuple. Let me create a list like hello. Now I will cut this, or I will also convert this into a tuple by using this syntax. Tuple. Now this will convert my list into tuple. This means this is going to return me a new object, a tuple object, which will be stored in S, and ls will remain same, which means I am going to get a new tuple which will contain the same entries as the list, which will referred by S. Now you can see I am getting a tuple here. This is all about how we initialize tuple and how we can get a tuple object from list object. I have provided notes. You can read it from here. Now indexing and slicing in tuple, indexing and slicing is same as in list or string. We have negative and positive indexing. As I taught you in the previous videos of list and string, I am giving some fast overview here again in case of tuple. Now here is the tuple. At index 1 I have a string Tarun, so I will print it tp index 1. Now you can see I'm getting Tarun here, and same with slicing. So I'm going to get as you can see, I get this. Here is 1, here is 2, and here is 3, and fourth index is exclusive, as you know, and I can do it with 3. Now I'm going to get Tarun and 3.5 only. As you can see, this is all about the indexing and slicing of the tuple. I have made it clear these topics in previous videos, so I'm not going to explain them very deeply here. You can check it out my list or string video to get a deeper understanding of slicing and indexing of string and list, because all three have the same type of indexing. So I'm going forward, and with it also has same operations like strings. Oh, I have made some error in notes, by the way. Let me correct it. Okay. Operations on tuple. As string and tuple have same operation, so I did a copy paste, I guess. As you can see in notes now. Now here you can see if I can also add two tuples or concatenate them and get a new tuple object with both tuples combining. As you can see here in this example, I have made it really clear. I will show in program also. Like I have this tuple TP. Now I am going to create another tuple SP. Sorry for the variable names. I'm just doing these things randomly. Now I can get a tuple by concatenating them. Now a new tuple object will be stored in S with, as you can see, and I can also apply multiplication operation on it. Now I am going to get 4, 5, 6 two times in a tuple like this. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, like this output. As you can see, I'm going to get this kind of output. Yeah. And we can also use membership operator here, like if I want to use this, so I can also use like sp in s. This will going to return me false, because you can see at all I am getting false because 4, 5 is a sp is a tuple, and s does not contain a tuple with value 4 and 5. If I add 4, 5 here, then I am going to get true. As you can see, I am getting true here. I can also use identity operator, which is s is sp, which is going to return me false because these are both different objects. As you can see, I'm getting false. Let me erase this. This is all about the operators in the tuples. Now I'm going to talk about some inbuilt function. Tuple have very less inbuilt function. I think so it have only two inbuilt functions. As you can see, count and index. Now count function returns the occurrence of the element in the tuple. Like if I have a tuple 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 6. Now I can print the occurrence of 5. This function returns the occurrence of given value. Here the given value is 5. So I am going to get the occurrence of 5 in the tuple. Now I am going to print it. P is not defined. Oh my bad. I am getting 3 as 5 is 3 times in the tuple. If I use like 7, put 7 here. Now I am going to get 0 because 7 is not present in the tuple. And it also have a function index. Print tp.index, and I will provide value. Now index of 5. Here it will return the first index of 5, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will return me 4 as the output. As you can see, I'm getting 4. If I provide, I want to get after index of 5, I'm going to get 5. If I write here index 7, now I want index of 5 in tuple after 7th index. So you can see after 7th index there is no 5, so I'm going to get an error. As you can see, x is not in tuple because I'm saying that I want index of 5 after 7th index, but there is no 5 in tuple after 7th index. You can see 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after 7, this is 7th index, and after 7th index there is no 5 in the tuple. But if I put 5 again, I am going to get 7, my output, not an error. As you can see, I'm getting 8 output, as you can properly see that. So this is all about the tuple. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.